how to fix Fortnite crashes on PS5. So first, what you have to do is to press the options button. It's going to be this one. So you just want to press the options button and then you will check for updates. So that's going to be the very first step. Now, once you have checked for updates, then we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be going into settings. Then you want to go into screen and video. Then you want to scroll down until you see HDR and change it from always on to on when supported. Also, what you can do is to change this to off, which is going to be the 120 Hz output, and see if that works for you. Another thing that we can do is to go into users, then other, restore licenses. Here you just want to find Fortnite. You will check it like this and you will click on restore. Now, once you have restored the license as well, then the very last thing that you can do is to go into system. So again, from the settings system, then you want to click on system software update and settings, about or system software update using the internet, and here just see if you have the latest version for your PS5, and that should fix crashes with or on Fortnite. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.